What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you some clips on the progress on this bed that we did transform. The client ordered the bed to be transformed. Also, she wanted us to cover the side tables to match the bed, and also make her an ottoman with storage. Yeah, so that is what we are going to be doing, and I'm just showing you the before, how everything looked like before we started the transformation. So we normally do this job in just one day, that is the transformation. Yeah, and it's something that is possible, something that you can do on your own. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. So now here we have already did the cutting, because there are some cuttings that you normally do because some headboards are normally not straight, so we usually do some modifications so that we can get a straight and longer surface that we can work on. As you can see, we have cut the headboard, we have removed the curved part, and then added this adjustment layer because the client wanted a higher headboard. That is what we did, and then I did design the pattern of the design, and now we are just making the holes, because these are the holes that we usually pass the strings through, because it's a box bed. It has boxes, it's a tufted bed, so of course we are going to be using buttons. So whenever we are using buttons, we have to drill these holes so that we can pass the strings at the back of the headboard and staple them at the back. So that is the basic thing that we normally do. So to do this transformation, we normally use nails, hammer, we use a circular saw. If you don't have a circular saw, you can use a normal saw, and we use a drill to drill the holes, of course. And then after that, the materials that we use are plywoods, pieces of wood, the foam. This is a 2-inch foam. We also use a 1/2-inch foam, and the fabric that you are going to be using during the transformation. So this was a 5x6 bed that we are going to be transforming. These boards that I'm showing you are the ones that we did carry there at the client home, because we are going to be using these boards to make the ottoman bench with storage. So now we have prepared everything. You can see the pattern. You can now get a small vision on how the design is. Yeah, so that is where we do. And then this is the box, this is the bench with storage. We are just doing everything slowly by slowly, but everything will come out later in the video, and everything will make sense. And I hope you're enjoying the video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So now I'm done making the headboard. The other part that I'm going to be doing is the top of the ottoman bench, also the lower side of the bed, because there are some tufting that I'm going to be doing. And this is the box. We have already assembled the pieces of that I showed you. Now you can see the box, and we have attached a 1-inch foam around the box, and then the other part that is remaining is for us to cover everywhere with the fabric. Also the side tables, as you can see, we have already covered the first side table. The other side table, we are going to be covering it. As you can see, this is the one. We are also going to be covering it to match with the bed, and also to match with the ottoman, because the client wanted this royal blue as the fabric, and that is what we are going to be using in all the items that we are going to be making in these DIYs today. Now we are just doing our final touches, and I'm going to leave you at this. Enjoy the video. Make sure to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, and I will be really glad and thankful for that. Yeah, I think I will see you in my next videos. See you.